Hey there, pioneers! Here's how to mark locations in Subnautica 2. To create your own custom waypoints in the game, you'll need a habitat builder and the beacon blueprint unlocked. You can find a more detailed walkthrough on how to unlock the beacon in a separate guide on the channel. Once you have those ready, open the Habitat Builder's build menu and head to the Utility tab, then select the beacon. Each beacon costs 1 copper and 1 titanium to build, so make sure to bring enough materials with you before heading out. Place it in the area you want to mark. For this example, let's use this wreck. Once the beacon is deployed, look at it and press T to set a custom label. After that, the beacon will appear in your world as a visible marker or signal. You can also customize the beacon's marker settings through the Signals tab. If you want to move it somewhere else later, simply pick it up and place it at a new location. You can create as many beacons as you want to mark important areas throughout the world. If you no longer want to see a beacon marker on your screen, you can disable it through the Signals tab. Or, if you want to permanently remove it, just deconstruct it using your Habitat Builder. And that's all there is to it. If this video helped, please leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more quick dive guides. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.